Hello, it's Corrine. Thank you for joining me at my craft desk today. So I want to have a bit of a play. Somebody posted up a video. I can't remember who it was now. I'll try to link to them in the description box if I remember who it was, of a gift box, and it looked like it was made from a card base. So that's what I'm going to attempt to make it with today. And it was literally a matter of scoring a couple of extra lines on to a pre-made card base. So I'm going to have a go today and see what we come up with. So I'm using, this is a Stampin' Up trimmer. I have, so obviously a card base is 14.8 centimeters by 10.5 centimeters, but I'm going to open it out so it's full width. This way is 14.8, so I have made a little mark. I don't know if you can see here and here. That's at 7.4 centimeters, so that's halfway, should be halfway between the points. So what I'm going to do is line up in my scoring groove just here. You could do it with a ruler and a scoring tool quite easily. Line that up, and I'm just going to score a line. Can you see how I've gone from that point to the original fold line? Let's do it on this side. This may go completely wrong, but I like to just film as I craft. You can all have a laugh at me if it all goes terribly tits up. I can't believe I just said that on video. I do apologise. So yes, not very politically correct of me. So let's go from the line to the mark, score line to the mark, just trying to get that straight like so. So we now have a bit of a diamond shape going on, maybe a bit of a squiff diamond shape, but it's a diamond shape nonetheless. And I'm going to fold and just burnish with my bone folder along those score lines, and this may go horribly wrong, and then folded it over. It doesn't look too bad. I think they did it the other way, but that's, yeah, maybe not. I'm just trying to think what we could do. Actually, if I put two holes there, we could hang that, and that'd be a pretty cool bag shape. Should we do some stamping on it? Let's do some stamping on it, make it look fun. Or should I stick some DSP to it? Let me have a look, see what I've got that might match this colour. I know what to use. Let's grab you out. So I have got the beautiful Designer Series paper. This is Bird Ballad Designer Series paper. It's ever so pretty. You've probably seen me use it in some other videos. So these are, it's got all different patterns. There's birds, flowers, feathers, more flowers, all sorts of patterns. Look, bird cages, really steampunky keys, footprints from birds, and looks like some seagulls on those ones. I'm sure there's more sheets. Oh, we have got more sheets. Look, these are ones I haven't cut yet. We've got stripes, we've got spots, but look at these. I mean, these are ever so pretty, these birds. I love them. I love this cardstock. I can't stop using it. I just keep using it on things. So let's find something that's going to go really pretty with this box, and we're going to turn it into a gift box. Let's have a look. Here we go. I think that one, because it's got the blue, I'm going to go with that one. So let me just pop that back in my paper rack, which is overflowing at the moment because I keep buying cardstock. Okay, so I need to cut some to fit here, don't I? Let me get my trimmer out. It's not going to work with that one. Let's go with this one. I need to cut, I'm going to cut the size that I normally do. I'm going to go 9.9 centimetres because I like to go 6mm shorter than my card base so that I get my angles right. And then, sorry, I'm trying to work it out ad lib. So 14.2 should give me a panel like that. Then I need to cut the angles in. So let's see how I can do this. If I cut that straight down to the middle, then that should work out right. So what did I say? That was 14.2. So that'll be 7.1 would be my halfway point. So I need to mark 7.1. Let me just get a pen. Let's use this. I need to go that side, don't I? Okay, so 7.1 is there. So I need to go from that angle to there, but this time cutting. Oh, this is where it's going to go all horribly wrong, isn't it? So I'll just go from that angle. You can hear another narrow boat outside, my boat reversing. 1, 2, like that. Did that work out, or has that gone terribly wrong? Oh, it's not too bad. Oh, it's a bit skew-if. Let me try it that side. Did I do a skew-if angle? There we go, it works that side. So yeah, it doesn't matter. It doesn't seem to matter if you do a slightly squiffy angle. It still works out in the end, I hope. Okay, let me get rid of that. Let's use some snail adhesive. Plant some on the back. Is it gonna work? Oh, close enough. So, what if I can put those ones? Let's put those ones on there, look. It might work, it might work. These work. Okay. Like that. There we go. Like that. How fun is that? So I'm going to now punch some holes. Let me just get my hole punch. Let's go. So hold it tight. I'm going to punch a hole there, and I'm going to punch a hole there, and I'm going to get some pretty ribbon to match. What shall we use? I have some really pretty, I don't know if this is going to work because it's quite thick. I'm going to be able to grab it. Oh, it might work. will work. Come on, let's make it work. Right, let me get my snips. Let's just snip that off. Tie a bow. Bows are not my thing really. I can never tie a really pretty, attractive bow. It always goes wrong. So let me just try. Oh, that'll do. But how fun is that for a little gift box? You could do that so easily to make little table decorations for somebody. Should we put something on it? Let's stamp something. You can tell that this is really off the cuff, can't you? I'm just trying to find a stamp set that would look nice. Can I find anything? Yes, I can. That looks like something we can use. Okay, kindness and compassion. I want thank you. I'm going to grab that out. Not use this stamp set very often. Let's pop that on there. And let's use, if I can find it, I'm sure, yes. Oh dear, knocking things down. I have some petal pink cardstock to match that colour in there. That'll do. Right, we're going to heat emboss on there. With okay, I like to use coffee filters for my embossing powders to catch them all and put them all back in the pot. Let's use black. Use black in a while. Okay, so embossing buddy, get rid of any fingerprints or static. I'm just going to put my glue out the way so that it doesn't get inky. So Versamark, ink that up, ink it up. Let's stamp that there. Hoping that's come out okay. Go. Nice and clean, and that's another boat that's just been started up. I hope it's not too noisy on the camera. I really do apologise if it is. I've got trains going past, boats going past, people walking past. So let me pop that back. Waste not, want not. Let's pop that all away and let's blast this with the heat tool. Get your heat tool nice and hot. Just realised I've got some crumbs, so I'm just going to wipe those off so that it doesn't make it look filthy. Keep going back and forwards. And you'll start to see melting. Just like that. Okay. Lovely. So once that's cool, it's lovely and shiny. So I'm just going to use my snips. That Actually, no, I'm not, because I will get a wonky line. Let me just pop my trimmer up. Let's give this a snip off, and let's go 7 centimeters cut. Just gonna trim it down slightly in width as well. Let me just trim it like that, so just a little bit smaller. And I'm going to flag it, so let's go centerized, just snip up slightly and then go from the corner across to that point that you've just snipped to. And it gives you a nice clean line if you can keep your hand from shaking, unlike me. There we go. Just like that. I'm going to pop some dimensionals on here. 1, 2, 3. Get rid of the backing. There we go. There we go. Lovely little gift box. That was alright for off the cusp, wasn't it? Cuff, should I say? Cusp. Thank you ever so much for joining me today. I really hope you like that. I do. I think that's ever so pretty. I'm going to go and fill it with some chocolates and give it to somebody. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye.